Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your TOZO OpenEgo with your Android device. So if you want to, for instance, connect them with your smartphone, all you need to do is of course open the charging case. And by doing so, we should turn on the earbuds. So let's take them out. There we go. And now, let's actually close the case. We don't need that now. And now what we should take a look at is the lights on the earbuds. They should be blinking now. If they are not powered on after taking them out, then you need to simply press and hold with your finger on the logo on any of these, and then they should turn on. If only one of them turned on after doing so, you need to do the same with the other. So knowing that they are now powered on, we need to of course enable Bluetooth on our Android and then search for the device. We should find TOZO OpenEgo, tap on it, and then we should begin the attempt of pairing. So let's choose pair, and now we are connected. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!